Hey guys, it's Colwish Shark. Today we're going to make a tornado. So you might be wondering why we need this, but I'm going to show you next video, and I'll explain. So basically, it's going to be a project where all of the effects are combined. So first we need to make a ring. First I'm gonna make this one gray. A lightish gray. Yeah, like that. With the thickness of 10. Okay, I'm gonna make, duplicate that, and then change this one to dark, there. So now let's code it. When green flag, let's click X, go to 0, and then negative 180, set size to 50. And then we want to repeat 8 times. Switch to cost 3. And then repeat 10 times. Change size by 3. Create a clone myself. Change Y by 3. And switch to costume 1. Okay, now we need code. When I start out as a clone, we need to make the move variable for this sprite only. When I start out as a clone, set move to pick random 0.5 to 1, and then we want to change x by move divided by 2. And now put in the forever. Repeat 3, and then that repeat 3, repeat 10. Need that to it. And then change x by 0 minus move. And then change x by move. And then put that part back in. Now as we see, it works. And you can just make this part a bit bigger, and as you see. And that is how you make a tornado in Scratch.